Alright, part 15 of the truck project. Anyway, I've pretty much fabricated these shock towers and top control mounts. So that's pretty much how they'll look. I've made multiple top shock eye positions just to raise and lower the suspension as I need, or ultimately different length shocks or this or that. But anyway, so that's pretty much what I've come up with. It's only mocked up at this stage. I will weld it soon, maybe today. But anyway, so that's how the AFCO shock sits inside. Little aperture there for the damping control. Top arm is still mock-up arms. I'll build some proper ones next. Now that I know all this is happening. Yeah, so that's pretty much how it works. Yeah, this is where the bump stop will come to, which is very close to the original Jag position anyway. So this will be welded. This is 6mm, so it's quite strong. Welded right through. So yeah, they took a lot longer than what I thought they would, but anyway, they're done now. So that's pretty much how they look. I think they're plenty strong, and I shouldn't have any problems with them once they're all welded in and such. This is this is pretty much what they are as a separate unit. Yeah, just a 6mm plate, multiple shock eyes. Pretty much 2 inches between those the mounting points inside. So if I change shocks for any reason or that, I can put in there some bushes and work on the different width of the top shock eye. So yeah, so that's them all fabricated up. So yeah, pretty happy with them. Yeah, welded right through. Mounts to the top, the original top control point. Yeah, so that's what they look like mocked up. Yeah, it should make for an interesting ride. And this is, I'll just show you quickly, this is the tower, or what's left of the tower after the sheet metal is stripped off it. Put a little notch down the sides to for clearance, so you can only make these things so wide. Probably I'll show you there. See, that's probably the rear side of that one. So that with that little notch, the 6mm can fit inside the bushes, and that will have a plate on it as well, and once it's finally done. So yeah, I'll just show you this quickly. Yeah, so I cut a lot of the sheet metal off. Anyone who knows what these Jags look like when they're original, that's probably the front part of the tower. Goes about there. So that, yeah, cut that down through there, cut that straight down through there, and this is the this goes about there originally. Yeah, cut straight down. On the bottom of that's where the original, where the large diameter original Jag spring rides. That's the very end of the bump stop there. Yeah, so, but yeah, so that's been pretty much cut off, and as you can see with the the way they're shaped and stuff like that, they you can't fit a coilover in them. So anyway, that's the reason for pretty much making that a flat surface, so the coilover can go inside, which it does quite well now. So yeah, so that's just a quick update on part 15. That's where we're at the moment. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with all that. I'll weld this in, and pretty much here I've put some little pilot holes fore and aft of these towers, so that will I'll once it's bolted up, I'll drill right through the frame, and I'll probably bolt it there just for more strength structurally, and that should be it. I'll configure the front sway bar soon while the welder's blazing away, and yeah, bottom control arms, they'll be next, part 16 or whatever. So yeah, so there we are. That's that's the top control arms. I hope this helps out anyone who's configuring a Jag front end for coilovers. It can be done. It's a bit of work, but a Jag front end's a nice thing. So there you have it. So anyway, I hope that helps someone, and I get a thumbs up out of it. Anyway, cheers.